Listen, just after our initial conversation, Anel Potgieter walked past here and then asked Dr. Zak about these home kits that you buy, at your pharmacy and so on, and whether they are actually good for your teeth. And you were saying something about that.
So we actually recommend that you use a home kit that is custom-made. So go to your dental professional, make sure that it fits, because the moment that the peroxide leak into your system, that will not be healthy for you.
Okay.
But it is quite a good product most of the times. You get a bleaching agent, you get a whitening agent. And whitening agents can only be done by dental professionals. So if you go to your dentist or your oral hygienist, they'll be able to supply you with a product containing fluoride.
Okay.
That will not only whiten your teeth, it will also strengthen your teeth. Can you look? So it's definitely advisable.
Thank you very much for that piece of advice. And once again, our lines are open. That number is 083-9133-728. We're talking oral hygiene. And right now, more specifically, 3D printing and dentistry. So has 3D printing technology actually made its way into the dental world?
Well, definitely, in three ways. You can see it now with aesthetic dentistry. We use it for veneers and crowns and bridges.
Yeah.
We also use it in implantology, where we print stents to make sure that we place the implant correctly and place it into an area where there's sufficient bone and not actually place it into other teeth. And we also use it in orthodontics.
Yes.
The other day, a student printed his own new smile, and that's through the help of 3D printing. So basically, we straighten the teeth through invisible retainers.
Oh my
Taking
word,
over.
that is incredible. Let's take a call right now, shall we? Annette is on the line. Good morning to you, Annette. Annette, are you there?
Yes, good morning.
Oh, thank you so much for your call. What is your question to the doctor?
I'd just like to find out, there's a lot of these teeth whitening products and even in the toothpaste. And I would just like to know, is it harmful for your teeth on the long run?
Great question. So we're talking about the long-term effects. Thank you very much for that question, Annette. What do you say, doctor?
There's no harm to it. All of these toothpastes that we find on the market have to be FDA approved, so they have been tested for safety. But as I've said, do bear in mind, they're not going to really whiten your teeth extremely. They're just there to maintain the whiteness of your teeth after you had a teeth whitening procedure done by your dental professional.
All right, Annette, thank you very much for that question, and I hope that answer certainly did help. I want to ask, is there a case of too much of a good thing being bad? For instance, if you went to go and whiten your teeth every single week?
Well, it will be sensitive and it can probably be harmful. I wouldn't advise that. It's not a necessity. And if you look at Nicki Minaj, her previous smile was too white and she had to change it back to a darker shade. So too much of a good thing can be a bad thing.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so have we actually gotten to a stage, because I'm just going to get back to the topic of 3D printing technology and dentistry. Have we really gotten to the stage now where you can go and have an entire smile 3D printed, a brand new one?
Absolutely. We can do a smile in a day, and we can then print the veneers, and it's actually very aesthetically pleasing. We can't print the roots yet, so do be careful. It's not going to be easy to get a new smile.
Yes.
Be careful and maintain and preserve what you have.
The one that you have.
But if you have your teeth being damaged, you can always opt for veneers, and that could be a beautiful attribution to your aesthetics.
Fantastic. Well, we'll carry on with our conversation. Dr. Zak Schabort in the hot seat talking about oral health, dentistry, aesthetic dentistry. And if you've got any questions to ask, do give us a call on 083-9133-728. Right now, let's click online and see what's trending.